So, a Twitter user with the username Yoruba Analyst had posted a video. He videoed himself, and he posted with the caption, "These monsters will always park themselves in trailers covered by trampoline to go and invade a state that is not their own." The driver said it was salt he was carrying when he was first intercepted. Enough is enough. The Iwo Fulani and all that. So these guys actually saw Fulanis, so many of them. There were thousands in several trailers, and they were going into Osun State, packed in their numbers. And when they were intercepted by the police, they were saying, "Oh, it's salt they are carrying," and this thing. And when they stopped them and checked, they actually saw that it was thousands of Fulanis that they were carrying in this car. Check what they have to say in this video, guys.
They can't send us to my carry. Huh? When I hide, they send us to the community.
This is the kind of things we have.
And they carry this tablet cover them.
If not for the
police, neighborhood, the civil defense, and us, we would not have captured this very moment. And we approached them. The driver said that they were carrying salt. I think this one should be. Come down. Come down. No.
If they come there, they will come down. Let them come back.
I think they're supposed to arrest them.
Arrest them, carry them, go.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Where they close now? Brother. Not one, even two of them. Let them lead them.
You know the funny thing is that when they ask them what they are carrying,
Joy is not the head, but someone to help.
Hey, what is that?
Please, if you're new to this channel, you've not subscribed yet, please hit the red subscription button below. Also, you can hit the push notification bell on this channel so that you will be the first to get updates as we keep dropping. Now, I know a lot of you have comments concerning this whole Fulani thing. We saw what happened today at Ondo State, whereby the massacre in St. Francis Church in Owo, and people were so I myself have made several videos condemning the act of killing. It was really a dark Sunday for so many, and it's a dark Sunday for Nigerians as a whole. And this is not the one Nigeria we envision. This is not the one Nigeria we want to see in the future. So guys, I know you have comments, so drop in the comment section, and if you're new, please subscribe.